How to create an anchor tag in HTML. Okay, on my desktop I've got a HTML file. I'll click that with my right mouse button and I'll choose Open With so I can look at it in my browser. And the page opens. There's really not too much going on. I've got the page title up here and I've just got a little page content there. Nothing too impressive. Let's just say that I wanted to create a hyperlink to another web page. So I'll go back to my HTML file. I will edit it. In this case, I'm going to bring it up with Notepad++, my favorite simple text editor. And here is my HTML file. Now here is the page content here. We'll take that out. And what we want to do is create what's called an anchor tag. An anchor tag is what you need in order to create a link. All those things you click on a web page will take you someplace else. They're just simply anchor tags. And an anchor tag has an opening and closing, so it opens with an A, and surprisingly, it closes with a closing A. And what goes in the middle will be your link text. So let's just say link text here, and we'll see how that looks. So we'll save it here, and we'll go back to our web page, and we've got link text, but it's not really a link. It's just really simple text. We need to go back and actually put in the attribute that makes it an actual link, and that's called href. So within the opening anchor tag, we're going to type href, and then we'll type equals, and then we're going to put something in quotes, and the quotes will be the actual location of the file. So let's just say we want this to link to Yahoo. So we'll type http://www.yahoo.com, and we'll save that, and we'll go to our web page, refresh, and you can see that our anchor tag is actually functional now because we've got an underline, which is the default behavior for anchor text. And as you put the mouse over it, you'll see that the pointer turns to a hand, which indicates that it is a hyperlink. And you'll notice at the bottom of the screen, in the status bar, there it indicates where that link will go. And if I click it, it goes to yahoo.com. So let's just say we wanted to edit that, and we wanted to say, instead of link text, we wanted to say go to Yahoo. And we'll save and go back to our browser, refresh, and now our link is the link text is actually a little more appropriate. It tells us what's going to happen. So if I click this, it takes us to our destination. Now let's just say I wanted to change that link, and we wanted to have it say, instead of Yahoo, we wanted it to go to the CNN page. So we could change the href attribute to point to CNN.com, and then we change our link text, and then we'll save the file, and we'll go back to the browser, and our link has changed, and the actual URL that it takes us to has changed as well. Here's our CNN page that we've linked to, and that's it. We've very simply created an anchor text or a hyperlink in an HTML file. It's very simple, and it just involves an opening and closing A tag with your href attribute, and your actual link text goes in the middle. That's it.